Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how some people are making over $35,000 every single month making really simple videos on YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how. And the best thing is you don't even need to show your face or record your voice. This is an awesome project to get started, guys, that can make you passive income for years to come. It's so easy and simple when you see this method, so stay tuned and watch to the end because I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get started today absolutely free. Now before that, if you're interested in making money online, to quit your day job, to support your family, or just to have extra money to spend, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that I can notify you every time I release a new video. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to explain what Reddit is for those of you who never heard of it before. You could say that Reddit is sort of a social media platform, but it's unique in its own way. So I'd like to think of it as more of a community with different sections called subreddits that people join to discuss and talk about a key topic or theme. For example, so in this subreddit called Illegally Small Cats, people come together and share hilariously cute pictures of really small cats, and it's really silly, but people have a lot of fun and it's jokes and all of that good stuff. You can find subreddits on just about any subject you can think of, from communities that help you lose weight to others that help you grow your YouTube channel or Instagram page. And besides from using the search bar, you can use websites such as Reddit List to find the most up-to-date subreddit groups sorted by most subscribers, activity and growth in the last 24 hours. So let's just check out a few of these subreddits. So here we can sort the posts by a few filters, but the common ones are hot, new and top. So I like to sort using the hot option, as that shows what's being upvoted the most in the shortest time frame, as opposed to top, which is overall most upvoted. So the way Reddit works is that when people like a post, or in our case a comment, they click this upwards facing arrow which represents an upvote, and the opposite if they dislike it. This creates an organic type of system that pushes the most popular post to the top and keeps the site relevant and interesting. So now the way we will be making money with this is that we'll be going through these popular subreddits and finding viral comments that you and the community find funny. The reason these comments are so popular is that they are often very real, raw and relatable to a wide majority of people. You just need to use your own judgment and pick out all the clever and funny ones that would make you or your friends laugh. So when we go through a post, the comments within that post are often filled with really funny responses, like. And as we said earlier, the best comments always show up first, so it makes your job that much easier. So you may be asking yourself, how the heck am I going to make money with these jokes and comments? Well, what we will be doing is modeling some of these hugely successful YouTube channels that have been popping up lately, such as Storytime with Reddit, Cowbelly Studios and Reddit's Comments. These channels are absolutely killing it with this super simple video concept and have scaled like crazy recently, as you will see. If we check their stats on Social Blade, we can see that for this channel, Storytime with Reddit, they are making over £36,000 every single month, which is way over $50,000 a month. That is absolutely insane, and keep in mind that these numbers are estimates and they usually undervaluate these figures. Also, if we check down here, we can see that they are gaining around 1,000 subscribers every single day, which is very impressive and shows that there's a strong interest in this niche. We can also see that there's a great general uptrend in views since the channel began in May 2019. This data shows us that there's an increase in interest in the niche and that there's room for growth. Let's just check out their channel. So if we just choose this video,
told to me by my wife, confirmed by the nurse. I was in bed hospital room, waiting for surgery. They already gave me meds to calm me, but they knocked me out. 2 nurses come in to move me to a gurney, but they were small, and I'm big, they can't move me over. My wife came over and poked me in the ribs saying you're snoring Rolliver, and I rolled right onto the gurney.
you can see that these are literally the same comments that we just saw in different subreddits, just put together in a compilation video. Also, they're using a computer generated British voice called Daniel.
Hey guys, this is the YouTube famous computer generated voice, Daniel.
So you guys don't even need to use your voice or your face. There is a website where you can use this voice, but you're not able to download the audio files for free. But don't worry, as a bonus I've included a link in the description to download the files, so you can use this text-to-speech voice generator as much as you like and even without being on the internet. So after downloading both links, all you need to do is install both programs. Then select Daniel from the drop down list and there you go, you're done. So after choosing Daniel from the drop down list, I just wanted to show you how to use the program. Now let's go to the document where I saved some of the comments and replies. So these are all from the subreddit Shower Thoughts. So what we would do is just copy and paste some of the questions. So let's just go with this one here. And then go to the program and just paste it here. So what you need to do now is just highlight all of the text and come up here to this button and press it. And it should play.
If you wear glasses while riding in a car and make eye contact with someone wearing glasses in a different car, you're looking at each other through 4 layers of glass.
So what the cool thing is, the program actually pronunciates all of the punctuation with like commas, full stops, question marks, exclamation marks, so it's really good. Let's just try some more.
Your last Google search is what ended up leading to your death. What was it?
Okay, so let's add a reply.
I searched death toll coronavirus. Looks like we are adding one more to the total now.
So now that you have your text in place, we want to save it. So we'll come up here to File, and then Save Audio File. Now you just name it, and then click Save wherever you want to save it. And now that will be saved as an MP3 file, and you can insert that into your video editor so that you can continue making a video. Just to summarize, firstly, you need to go on to popular subreddits such as Shower Thoughts and Ask Reddit and start to save as many comments and replies as you can. Do this daily so that you can always have fresh content. Next, you will copy and paste the text into the text-to-speech software and save as an MP3. Then open up your video editing software and start to add your text and audio to create a compilation around 15 minutes long. Then upload to your channel. Add custom thumbnails, SEO optimized descriptions and tags. Now the key thing to remember with this is to become consistent with your uploads. Consistency is the key. Remember, there's no shortcut to success except for consistency. After a few weeks and months of daily uploads, you'll soon be hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which are requirements to join YouTube's partner program and get paid out via ads. As well as making money via YouTube ads, you can start doing some affiliate marketing and posting links to different things, Amazon affiliate links or links to services. Also, don't forget the merch. This is a really simple method and you can see the success of other channels in the same niche. So why can't you get a piece of that pie too? These channels are making tens of thousands of dollars each month making simple videos, but the key is they're consistent. Set yourself 1 to 2 hours every single day to work on this project, and if you really apply yourself, you will definitely see results. Let me know in the comments what you think of this method and if you're going to start a channel. And if you enjoyed this video or found it beneficial in any way, then please don't forget to subscribe and tick that notification bell so that you can be notified when I release a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.